Kristen, where's your puppy? Let me see your puppy. Can you show him to me? There he is. Yeah. Where's your Aggie bear? Where's your Aggie bear? Here's your Aggie bear. Do you want your puppy back? Can you tell everybody thank you? Thank you for the puppy.